Good morning. I don't know if you guys can see me. It's kind of dark. I am Jen. I'm from Jen's Jungle. And I am coming from Miami, Florida. I'm here on vacation. And I am going to go down that beach right there. And I'm going to be doing a little bit of yoga. And I'm also going to be showing you some cool plants that I'm just seeing randomly throughout Miami. Beautiful, beautiful plants. It's driving me crazy. Just laying on the ground. Some stuff that we just spend a lot of money on. And they're just laying on the ground, which is, to be expected, of course. You are in a tropical state. So I will show you guys some of those. That's just, as I'm going around the city or in the hotel even. And yeah, lots of beautiful plants. Enjoy yoga if you do decide to do some yoga with me this morning. I am also a yoga teacher, so I thought, why not try a yoga class if you would like to join me? I am vacationing in Miami, Florida right now. So the beach kind of inspired me to do a little bit of yoga this morning. So if you'd like to join me, let's get started. All right, we're going to start with some sun salutations. It is morning time here, and I don't like to sleep in when I'm on vacation. I can sleep when I get home. So we're going to inhale, and then exhale, swan dive down. Inhale, you're going to come up halfway. Exhale down, and then roll it up slow, bending softly at the knees, all the way to the top. Inhaling, and then exhaling, swan dive. Inhaling halfway, and exhale down, bend your knees, roll it up. We're just gonna do a gentle morning, wake up your body kind of routine. Inhale. We're gonna do that 2 more times. Exhale. Inhale halfway. Exhale down, and roll it up slow. 1 more time. It is a warm day today. I'm gonna be jumping in the water later on. Inhale. And exhale. Pull it all the way up. Inhaling all the way to the top, and we're gonna do half moon side to side, focusing more on the length of the spine. Inhaling to the center and then exhaling to the side. Inhaling to the center, exhale, swan dive down. You're going to grab onto your elbows, hook them into each other, bend the knees. You're going to hang like a ragdoll. Releasing your head and your shoulders and your neck. Releasing here, walk it out to down dog. Pedal your feet out. And 3-legged dog. Inhaling up. Exhaling. Other leg up. Sit down to your extended child, toes together, knees apart. Come up to your hands and knees. And we're going to thread the needle, inhaling and then exhaling. Inhaling and then exhaling. sides. One more. Going back to your down dog. Yep. Thank you. Walk your hands and your feet together. Inhale, come up halfway. Exhale down. Swan dive. Okay, that's fine. Thank you. Hands together. And then release. Drop your head over to one side. Push away. Rotate your wrist around. And then switch. Rotate. Bring your feet apart, about shoulder width apart, maybe a little bit wider. Inhaling, circle it all the way around. Other direction. Take your feet apart a little bit wider. Inhale, and then exhale, heart center. You're gonna sit it down into a garland squat or a wide squat. Sit up tall, lengthen through that tailbone, through that spine. Release one hand down and open. Inhale halfway, exhale, roll it up all the way to the top, hands to heart center, and that's it. Hopefully your body woke up a little bit. I am sweating. It is hot today. I'm gonna be jumping in the water. All right, well, back to plants. Miami has so many awesome plants that's just laying around all over the place in the ground. Big, gigantic Monstera deliciosa, huge fiddle leaf fig trees all over the place, just a whole bunch of stuff, which is to be expected. We're in Miami, but I'll show you some of those included in this clip. All right, thanks, and let me know if you want to do a little bit more yoga. Like I said, my other passion is fitness classes, so I am a group exercise instructor as well, so I teach all kinds of different classes: kickboxing, HIIT, strength training, yoga, a bunch of other stuff. So if you would like to see a little bit more of those incorporated with the plants, let me know. All right. Nice snake plant. Some protons. This is at the hotel, the Confidante that we're staying at here in Miami Beach. Super cute place. ZZ plants, they're huge. Right outside our hotel at the Confidante. That is enormous. And look at all the burl marks. They're just
15-minute wait.
All over the place. Huge. leaf coming. Look at these aerial roots. They're huge. Still in front of the hotel. Beautiful crotons. They're so pretty. They don't do well in my house because it's not humid enough. And they're terrible with spider mites too, but they're gorgeous. Is this a money tree? It sure looks like a money tree. I'm not sure though. Or is this an umbrella tree? I think it might be an umbrella tree. Monstera deliciosa. We've got some sort of palm. Monstera deliciosa. And a fern. We've got lots of burrow marks. They're just all over here. All over, just ground coverings. Like it's nothing. I don't know what that is. More monsteras. I bet these are going to get huge out here. And these. What are these? They kind of look like the dragon plant, but I don't know exactly what they're called. This is it's a good size golden pothos. The leaves are really big. And of course the ever reliable ZZ plant in a dark corner and thriving. A little cloudy, but it's okay.